Alright, welcome to the NintendoRepairShop.com's N64 game cleaning video, where we'll show you how to clean a Nintendo 64 game using our Nintendo Game Cleaning Kit, which is available on our website at www.nintendorepairshop.com. That game cleaning kit consists of a bottle of game cleaning paste, game cleaning rinse, a 3.8mm bit, and some non-static game cleaning cloths. Now, other tools you'll need to actually open and clean the N64 games are a small Phillips head screwdriver available at any hardware store, and potentially a bit holder. It makes it a little bit easier to use the 3.8mm bit. You can find that on our website as well. Now, to get started, flip your N64 game over. You can see there are two 3.8mm security screws. Simply attach your bit to the bit holder. Apply a little bit of pressure to make sure it fits snugly against the screw head. You don't want to strip those. And once you have those totally unscrewed, you can see that on the front of the N64 game there are two hooks that you have to make sure you slide the top of the game towards those hooks so they come undone. Then you can see on the inside there's a metal protective shield that you need to take out with the Phillips head screwdriver. One thing to note for the N64 games is that if your N64 games aren't playing, most often the problem is actually that your N64 game is dirty. So definitely try cleaning your game before you go through the trouble of taking a look at fixing the systems. Now, the N64 game layout is more complicated than the other kinds of games. You can see there's a plastic metal strip, and the motherboard is actually kind of intricate. So you have to make sure you remember how it fit in before you take it apart. Now, as with the other games, the real culprit here for the games not playing are dirty metal contacts. And you can see there's quite a bit of, well, not a lot, but a little bit of dirt and grime built up there. And really, a little bit is all it can take, especially if you have an older system, to keep it from working right. So to remedy this, we go to the game cleaning paste and the game cleaning cloth. Just a little bit of the paste will work. And you gently apply pressure as you scrub the metal contacts to remove that dirt and grime, as you can see there. Now, it's important to do both sides because both sides need to make contact with the system connector. And as you can see, this is quite an easy operation, and you get a lot of dirt and grime off that can get in the way of your system making proper contact. Now, once you finish taking all the dirt and grime off, the next step is to remove any excess residue left over from the game cleaning paste. And to do that, you can use the game cleaning rinse that comes with our kit. Now, this rinse is designed to evaporate quickly, but even after you rinse it, it'll still be wet for a minute or two. You'll want to put it back together and give it a minute or two to dry up before you try to use the game. So again, a little more complicated than NES and SNES games, and putting it back together is sometimes the hardest part. But if you remembered the way you put it in, it should be simple enough. And then the trick again with the N64 game is to line up those hooks on the open side of the game and slide them together before you try and reattach the screws. Once you tighten those screws down, you should be ready to go and your game should be working again. Again, you can purchase this repair kit, which comes with everything you need to clean your N64 games, from the NintendoRepairShop.com. That's www.nintendorepairshop.com.